If we talk about today's southwest monsoon, so southwest monsoon has further advanced into some more parts of Maharashtra, remaining parts of the Karnataka, most part of the Telangana and the remaining parts of Andhra Pradesh, and some more parts of the Chhattisgarh and Odisha, remaining parts of the West Bay of Bengal today. And the conditions are becoming more favorable for further advance of the southwest monsoon over the remaining parts of northeastern states, some more parts of West Bengal, Sikkim during next 2 days. So this is the advancement of the southwest monsoon. Now if we talk about today's synoptic system, so the important features, significant system, as you can see here, the well-marked low pressure area, which is over northwest Bay of Bengal off Odisha coast, persisted over the same region as been observed at 8:30 hours IST of today, and the associated cyclonic circulation extend up to 7.6 km above mean sea level, which is also tilted southward with height. It is likely to move slowly northward and concentrate into a depression over North Bay of Bengal during next 24 hours. So this is the most important system. And there are other systems like WD, which is now seen at 70 and 30 degree north. There is also upper air cyclonic circulation over South Punjab and neighborhood in the lower tropospheric level. There is also a cyclonic circulation over West Rajasthan and neighborhood at 0.9 km above mean sea level. And there is a trough line which is passing from the cyclonic circulation over West Rajasthan to North Chhattisgarh in the lower tropospheric level. There is also a cyclonic circulation over northeast Madhya Pradesh at 1.5 km above mean sea level. And we can also see a shear zone which roughly runs along 17 degree north over Indian region is also been seen between lower tropospheric level between 3.1 to 4.5 km above mean sea level. And there are also fresh activity of the rainfall is likely due to the fresh western disturbance, which is currently located at 55 degree east and north of 32. So northwest of India and some parts of northeast of India will be experiencing fresh activity of the rainfall due to this system. So these are the system. Now if we talk about today highlight, as we already mentioned, the well-marked low pressure which is over northeast northwest Bay of Bengal off Odisha coast, and it is likely to concentrate into a depression during next 24 hours. There is also a very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall is likely over northeastern states and sub-Himalayan West Bengal system till 30th of May due to that system. So some impact-based warning are also been issued. You can see our detailed bulletin later on. Heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over west coast of India, including Kerala, Karnataka coast, Maharashtra and Goa coast during next 3 to 4 days. And there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall over Kerala next 2 to 3 days, coastal and Ghat areas of Karnataka next 2 days, and Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu on 29th and 30th. And it is likely to reduce thereafter. And as we mentioned, there is a fresh WD is about to impact the northwest of India from 29th May.